Hello, today we are going to talk about Pearson and Excel, International Advanced Level Physics, Unit 1 Mechanics and Materials, 1.3 Mechanics, 1.3.5 Resulting Vectors. Resulting a vector is where you split a vector into two parts which are perpendicular to each other. Besides vertical and horizontal components, this can be done by in two ways. One thing is calculation. For this method, you use trigonometry to split the vector v into its components x and y, as shown below. X is equal v cos theta, y is equal v sin theta. However, if you struggle with remembering formulas, a good thing to remember is if you are moving from the original vector through the angle theta to get to your component, either horizontal or vertical, use cos. If you are moving away from the angle theta to get to your component, use sine. For example, a ball has been fired at a velocity 10 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees from the horizontal. Find the vertical and horizontal components of velocity. So here you can see this diagram. X is equal 10 cos 30 degree is equal 8.7 meters per second. Y is equal 10 sine 30. So it is 5 meters per second. Scale drawing. First, you must choose an appropriate scale for your drawing and make sure to make a note of this somewhere on your page. Next, using a ruler and a protractor, draw the vector v as described by the question. Then draw the vector's horizontal and vertical components, making sure that they meet up at a right angle. Finally, measure the length of the components that you have drawn and find their value using the scale you use to initially draw V. So this is how to draw the scale drawing thing. We can see here 1 centimeter showing 2 meters per second.